Somewhere in the Nevada desert, a building so large it has its own weather system is quietly changing how humanity builds things, people. The Gigafactory Nevada covers over 5 million square feet, a space large enough to fit 90 football fields inside its walls. Inside, over 1,000 robots operate in synchronized precision, a choreography of steel and software that never sleeps. How can one factory produce a vehicle every few minutes? The answer begins with a radical rethinking of what a factory can be. To understand why Tesla built this, we must go back to 2013, when the company realized conventional manufacturing would never get them where they needed to go. A gigafactory is not simply a factory. It is a vertically integrated manufacturing ecosystem. Raw materials enter one end, finished products exit the other. Traditional automotive supply chains involve dozens of suppliers across multiple countries. Tesla needed something fundamentally different to control quality and cost. In 2014, Tesla broke ground on Gigafactory Nevada in partnership with Panasonic. The goal, produce more lithium-ion batteries. Today, Tesla operates gigafactories in Nevada, New York, Texas, Shanghai, Berlin, and continues expanding globally. But the story of how a gigafactory actually operates, what happens inside those walls every hour of every day, remains largely unseen. The Gigafactory Nevada alone contains over 5 million square feet of operational space, making it one of the largest buildings by footprint on Earth. The factory consumes enough electricity to power a small city. Managing that energy demand is itself an engineering challenge. Every hour, thousands of tons of raw materials, steel, aluminum, lithium, copper, polymer, flow into the building. Inside, autonomous guided vehicles navigate the factory floor, carrying components between production stations, following invisible digital pathways embedded in the concrete. At peak production, certain Tesla lines complete a vehicle every few minutes, a rhythm sustained across 3 production shifts running around the clock. At 2 a.m., the Gigafactory does not slow down. The robots work through the night with the same precision they demonstrated 12 hours earlier. The machines responsible for this relentless production pace are not simple automated tools. They are sophisticated robotic systems. Tesla's factories deploy robotic systems from companies like KUKA, ABB, Fanuc, and Yaskawa. Robotic welders perform thousands of precise spot welds on every vehicle body, positioning electrodes with accuracy measured in fractions of a millimeter. Material handling robots move vehicle components between stations at speeds that would be dangerous for human workers. A gigacasting rear underbody weighs significantly less than the assembly it replaced, while matching or exceeding structural strength. Engineering performance through geometry. While gigacasting transformed the body structure, the technology that truly defines an electric vehicle lives in the floor beneath every passenger's feet. Everything begins with the battery cell, a cylinder roughly the size of a finger, yet containing enough electrochemical energy to propel a 2-ton vehicle down the road. Battery cells are manufactured in ultra-clean environments where dust particles are measured and controlled. Contamination at any scale can cause cell failure. Inside each cell, ultra-thin electrode sheets are wound with separator material into a precise jelly roll formation, a process automated with sub-millimeter accuracy. Thousands of individual cells are integrated into a structural battery pack, a component that simultaneously stores energy, conducts load, and forms part of the vehicle's body structure. Battery cells generate heat during charging and discharging. Keeping each cell within a precise temperature window is essential for safety. Before installation, every battery pack undergoes comprehensive electrical testing, thermal cycling, mechanical shock, and software validation. Above the physical production line runs an invisible intelligence, a network of sensors, cameras, and software models monitoring thousands of variables simultaneously. Machine vision cameras mounted throughout the factory capture production data at frame rates the human eye cannot follow. Detecting defects. When an AI vision system detects an anomaly, it flags the component within milliseconds, stopping production before a defect becomes a delivered vehicle. Predictive maintenance algorithms analyze robot motor vibrations, temperature trends, and torque patterns, predicting mechanical failure. Tesla's factories generate enormous volumes of production data every hour, uploaded, processed, and analyzed to continuously improve manufacturing quality. But the most sophisticated intelligence in any Tesla factory, it belongs to the engineers, operators, and specialists who built it. Tesla's factories require thousands of human workers. People perform tasks demanding adaptability, judgment, and problem-solving. Every automated system requires a skilled human support structure. Robot maintenance technicians perform calibrations. Before every vehicle leaves the factory, human quality inspectors perform final verification, the trained human eye catching subtle variation. A just-in-time logistics system ensures the right component reaches the right workstation at precisely the right moment, preventing inventory accumulation. Behind every Gigafactory stands a global supplier network delivering components from dozens of countries. A supply chain that itself requires every vehicle produced undergoes a comprehensive battery of tests, from electrical system validation to water leak testing, brake testing, and software calibration. Tesla has stated goals to transition its manufacturing operations toward renewable energy sources, reduce water usage per vehicle. The future of manufacturing is no longer defined by machines alone. It is defined by the intelligence connecting them.